Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an alphabetical logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo button as the t-shirt option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find it the alphabetical logo option. And here just select the template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box and tap to the edit button, and new go to the keyboard icon. Delete this text, write, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find a different font type and just select another. If you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and just select another color. If you want to add graphic elements or pictures to your project, go to the graphic button, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section just select the color and you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, here you can find different objects. For example, click to the heart option, and you can add heart to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.